In the vast kingdom of crustaceans, two contenders reign supreme, capturing our culinary imaginations and tantalizing our taste buds. On one side, you have the crawfish, the heart and soul of raucous communal boils, piled high on newspaper-covered tables, seasoned with a fiery blend of spices that stains your fingers and awakens your senses. It's the symbol of backyard gatherings, of community, of getting your hands dirty for a delicious reward. On the other side, you have the lobster, the icon of luxury, the centerpiece of celebratory feasts and candlelit dinners. It's the sound of a shell cracking open to reveal succulent, snow-white meat, the sight of clarified butter glistening under the soft glow of a restaurant chandelier. It represents elegance, indulgence, and a taste of the high life. They look like distant cousins, don't they? Both armored in a reddish shell, both sporting formidable claws, and both delivering a uniquely sweet and savory bite of seafood perfection. They both come from the water, and they both end up on our plates, celebrated for their flavor. But here's the unvarnished truth, the secret hiding in plain sight: they are profoundly, fundamentally different. And that difference goes far beyond their size or the waters they call home. It's a distinction that impacts your wallet, your palate, and your entire dining experience. Think about it. One is a luxury delicacy, a status symbol that can easily set you back a small fortune for a single serving. It's the star of the menu, the item you order when you're looking to impress or celebrate a milestone. The other is the people's feast, a mountain of food that feeds entire crowds for a fraction of the cost, turning a simple meal into a memorable, hands-on event. So, what is the real story here? What truly separates the humble crawfish from the heralded lobster? Is the lobster's exorbitant price tag genuinely justified by a superior taste and texture? Or are we all just paying a premium for decades of brilliant marketing and a carefully cultivated reputation for luxury? And conversely, is the crawfish merely a budget-friendly substitute? Or does it possess its own unique culinary identity that deserves to be celebrated on its own terms? Are you paying for hype, or are you paying for substance? The answer is more complex than you might think, and it could change the way you shop for seafood forever. Today on Consumer's Choice Top 5, we're putting these two titans of the deep head-to-head in the ultimate showdown. We're not just scratching the surface, we're cracking the shell wide open on every single detail. We'll meticulously compare their taste profiles and texture, exploring how one's delicate sweetness stacks up against the other's rich, briny flavor. We'll do a deep dive into the price and value, breaking down the cost per pound, the actual meat yield, and the economics of feeding your family versus indulging in a solo feast. We'll analyze the nutrition and health benefits, comparing everything from protein and omega-3s to cholesterol and mineral content, to see which one is the true powerhouse for your body. We'll explore the diverse cooking styles and culinary uses, from the simplest boil to the most complex gourmet preparations, showing you how to get the most out of each. And finally, we'll deliver the ultimate verdict on which one gives you the absolute best value for your money. This is the definitive guide you've been waiting for. So before we dive in and get our hands dirty, do us a favor. Hit that like button, click subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Why? Because we drop eye-opening, money-saving comparisons just like this one every single week, and you won't want to miss what's next. All right, enough talk. Let's crack into it. Let's start with what these seafood favorites actually are. Here's a surprise many people don't know. Crawfish are actually closer to shrimp than lobster in size and yield, even though they look like mini lobsters. This is where opinions get strong. Crawfish is all about seasoning and spice. That's why boils are loaded with flavor. Lobster is about luxury and simplicity. Butter, lemon, and that's it. Now let's talk money, because this is where the difference becomes huge. Here's the hidden truth. With crawfish, you're paying for the experience. With lobster, you're paying for the meat. When it comes to nutrition, you might be surprised to learn that both crawfish and lobster are fantastic choices, but they shine in different ways. Let's break down what makes each of these crustaceans a healthy addition to your plate. Crawfish is a lean machine. It's exceptionally low in calories and fat. making it a perfect protein source for anyone on a low-fat or calorie-conscious diet. A standard 100-gram serving of cooked crawfish contains about 85 calories and packs a solid 17 grams of protein, with less than a single gram of fat. It's also rich in B vitamins, essential for energy metabolism, and selenium, a powerful antioxidant that supports your immune system. Lobster, on the other hand, is a mineral powerhouse. While slightly higher in calories at around 98 per 100-gram serving, it delivers an even bigger protein punch with over 20 grams. More importantly, lobster is loaded with beneficial minerals like zinc, copper, and phosphorus. It's also a fantastic source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for heart and brain health. Now, you might have heard about lobster's cholesterol content, but modern nutrition science shows that dietary cholesterol has less impact on blood cholesterol than saturated fat. And lobster is very low in saturated fat. So what's the final verdict? If your goal is the leanest possible protein, crawfish is your winner. If you're looking to boost your intake of essential minerals and healthy omega-3s, lobster takes the crown. But here's the most important health tip: neither is inherently unhealthy. The real deciding factor is preparation. Steaming, boiling, or grilling keeps both options light and nutritious. The health equation only changes when you start deep frying or drenching them in gallons of melted butter and creamy, high-calorie sauces. Ultimately, how you cook and serve them matters far more than the seafood itself. They may look alike, but they cook very differently. Crawfish shines in group meals and bold flavors. Lobster shines in single-plate luxury dishes. Fun fact: lobster used to be considered poor man's food, prison food, trash food. So what changed? Limited supply, high harvesting costs, restaurant marketing, demand for luxury dining. Crawfish stayed affordable. Lobster became exclusive. There's no wrong choice, only the right seafood for the right moment. And there you have it, the ultimate showdown between the humble crawfish and the luxurious lobster. We've journeyed from the murky riverbeds to the deep blue sea, exploring everything that sets these crustaceans apart. We've compared their distinct flavors, from the sweet, spicy kick of a crawfish boil to the rich, buttery elegance of lobster meat. We've broken down the texture, the price, and the surprising nutritional profiles of each. So, what's the final verdict? Ultimately, the better choice comes down to your occasion, your budget, and your personal taste. For a lively communal feast that's big on flavor and fun without breaking the bank, crawfish is the undisputed champion of value. It's the heart of the party. But for those moments that call for indulgence, a special celebration, or a taste of pure, refined luxury, the lobster remains the king of the crustaceans. If this deep dive helped you navigate the delicious world of seafood and finally settle the great crawfish versus lobster debate, we'd love it if you'd support the channel. Go ahead and hit that like button. It truly helps us reach more food lovers just like you. And to make sure you never miss another head-to-head food comparison, be sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell. Here at Consumer's Choice Top 5, our mission is to cut through the noise and give you the honest, practical insights you need to make smarter choices in the kitchen and at the grocery store. We've got more culinary clashes coming your way. Now the conversation continues with you. We genuinely want to hear your take. Drop a comment below and tell us, are you on Team Crawfish or Team Lobster? What's the deciding factor for you? And we're curious about the details. How do you like it prepared? Do you have a secret family recipe for your crawfish boil, or a go-to method for the perfect broiled lobster tail? Share your culinary secrets. Finally, if you know someone who loves seafood or is planning a feast, share this video with them to help them choose. Thank you for watching, and remember, when it comes to food, smarter choices and unforgettable meals start right here. Consumer's Choice Top 5.